So finally, the intestinal juice acts on those byproducts, like starch gets converted into maltose and isomaltose. Maltose get converted into glucose molecule, 2-glucose molecule, just like this. And this lactose gets secreted into glucose and galactose. Dipeptides get hydrolyzed into amino acids by dipeptidases. So this protein digestion also occurs by the intestinal juice, which contains 2 alkaline proteases like erepsin, dipeptidase, and enterokinase. This enterokinase enzyme. These are the alkaline protease enzyme. Right. So again, fat digestion also takes place by the action of the intestinal lipase, which generally operates intracellularly, right? And it hydrolyzes some triglycerides, diglycerides, and monoglycerides. Now comes nucleic acid digestion. So here you see nucleic acid digestion, how it takes place in intestine by the action of intestinal juice. Look, nucleotides, right? Sucrose gets converted into glucose and fructose. Nucleotides gets converted into nucleosides. Nucleosides and nucleotides, what's the difference? It doesn't contain phosphate ion, it contains phosphate ion. And by the action of nucleotidases, right? And nucleosidases के action पे it converts into sugar and bases. So di and monoglycerides, as I told you just now, gets converted into fatty acids and glycerol by the action of lipase enzyme. So fully digested and alkaline food present in the small intestine is called as now chyle. Now here 3 types you got. One is bolus, then chyme, and next is chyle. Difference: bolus comes from the mouth, chyme comes from the stomach, and chyle, which is fully digested, remember my words, fully digested alkaline food present in the small intestine. It remains in the stomach, it comes out from the mouth to the esophagus, and it remains in the small intestine, right? And this is, while semi-digested and acidic food, it is chyme, and this one is the alkaline. This is the difference. So the scheme of digestion shows that carbohydrates digestion starts in buccal cavity, and digestion of protein and fat starts in stomach, as you remember, if you can remember, and while digestion of nucleic acid is started in small intestine. Remember always, the nucleic acid digestion starts in the small intestine, right? And this digestion of all the food stuff is completed in the small intestine, right?